Hello, I am Meetu Joshi from LG Institute of Computer Applications. In this session, we will learn how to draw the class diagram. In the previous session, we saw some basic notation that are required to draw the class diagram. Now, before started drawing, first we have to remember few points and then we will start our class diagram. Now, first we will discuss what we will remember when we started drawing the class diagram. The first we have to understand the scope of the project. Means we have to understand the problem that we are going to solve. Means that for which problem we are going to draw the class diagram. First point is scope. Second one is simplicity. Whenever we are going to draw the class diagram or class model, we have to think that we have to make a simple model that is easy to understand and try to use minimal number of classes that are clearly defined and not redundant. Third one is diagram layout. The layout of the diagram must be symmetrical throughout. And next one is the name of the class that we choose. It should be descriptive and unambiguous. Another points are multiplicity. At the end of the association plays the multiplicity that we have learned. It is of one to many, many to one, many to many. And next one is association end name. To more elaborate the relation, we can put the association end name at the end of the association. Next is generalization. We always try to avoid deeply nested generalization. Review. As we know, at the first attempt, we cannot uh, draw exact model, so we have to review our model many times. We basically required to review it. And the last one is documentation. We should always document the model and we have to make the version of the model so that in future if there will be any problem we can understand it by using the documentation. Now we have one case study for handling credit card account. Firstly, we read the problem statement. What is the problem statement for which we are going to draw the diagram, and try to identify what are the set of classes in the problem statement. Then we will identify set of attributes for a class, set of operation for a class, and again how can we connect these set of classes. And the classes may be connected through various kind of the relationship like association, generalization, aggregation, and composition. Here we have a statement: a bank may issue many credit card accounts. Each identify an account number. Each account has a maximum credit limit, a current balance, and a mailing address. The accounts serve one or more customer who resides at the mailing address. Bank periodically issue a statement for each account. A statement lists a payment due date, charges, and minimum payment. A statement itemizes various transactions that have occurred throughout the billing interval, purchases, and fees. The name of the merchant is printed for each purchase. Now, after reading this study, firstly, when we will start drawing class diagram, we have to identify set of classes. Now, how can we identify set of classes? In the statement, we have to find out the noun, or we can say the real word entity. Now, in this example, I have marked the real word entity or the class by using a red color. See here, bank is one class. Another class is credit card account. Next is customers. Next is statement. Another one is transactions. And next is purchases and fees. Now, I have also marked attribute by using a green color. Now, account has attribute like maximum credit limit, current balance, and a mailing address. Now, same for the statement, we have attribute like payment due date, charges, and minimum payment. For purchase, we have name of the merchant. Now, we can easily draw the diagram as we have identified set of classes. See here, it's the diagram. The marked red color classes I put here: bank, credit card account, customer, statement, transaction. Now, bank issue many credit card account. Now, I put here one bank. Now, the attributes are name, address, and contact. Get detail and set detail are the operations. Issues credit card account, in which I put attributes like account number, maximum credit limit, current balance. Now, these credit card accounts is associated with customer. For each and every credit card account, bank issues a statement. Now, statement is another class which represents the transaction that was performed by customer. The transaction may be of different types like purchase and fees. Uh, Here, uh, if you see the statement, the merchant name is displayed for each purchase. So I put here the merchant name, and after colon I mention the type of this attribute. Now it is of string type. Now fees same for the description, string type. Now this is the class diagram for the given statement. In the same way, you can draw the diagram for two case study, for which you have to identify set of classes, attribute, and relationship, and draw a class diagram for e-commerce website. In the same way, you can draw the class diagram for social networking site. These are the references. Thank you.